When we fly in the very low-level airspace, we need an alternative altimetry system. The traditional barometric measurements are not reliable, so we know that also that measurements are not very accurate, above all near the urban environment and near the ground obstacles. So with the ICARUS project, we try to obtain a different measurement based on GNSS system.
So in ICARUS, we developed a service for the translation between the barometric and the geometric height and altitude and vice versa. And then we studied two additional services. One for ground obstacle awareness, and of course also the terrain model, which is important information that we miss if we use only a GNSS-based approach. And also a service that can be used both in the strategic and in the tactical phase to, we call the VALT service, which stands for Vertical Alert Service. So this service is intended to warn the US operator when in the phase of both planning of the mission. So if on a BVLOS mission, for instance, there are some ground obstacle or some terrain that might impact with your flight trajectory, but also in the tactical phase when the drone is flying and you are using a GNSS-based altimetry, so a reference on the WGS84, but since you are missing the information of the terrain, you should be warned by a service of possible ground obstacles in your path.